falling on a Lego to a dog that can't stop sneezing. These are moments that will leave you shook. Went to a tennis match and a dinner party broke out. Wait, what? They're just playing over the dinner table. What if you hit someone? Oh my goodness, they must be professionals. Would you eat dinner here? Let me know in the comment section below. Jet ski flips and tricks. All these stunts are 100% done by professionals. Professionals only. Lee is taking a jet ski into the next level. His skills are incredible. Holy cow. How do you learn how to do this? How are you like, one day I'm just gonna learn how to do a double backflip on a jet ski? The ride is still running?
Wait, people are getting on the ride. I gotta tell someone.
They said it was part of the ride.
They said a glitch was a part of the ride.
Are they literally?
What? Okay, no way. No way that's real. What? This big muscle boy is kind of doing something wrong, I think. Who is this scientist-looking man right here injecting him? I don't think you're supposed to put things like that in your body no matter how big you want to get. Bro thinks he's an edit. Caught him in 4K. Where is he? Wait, what? Bro, what? What is Woody doing? I knew Toy Story was real. Andy's home. So smart. Whales are way too smart, bro. What? But he blew an O and swam straight through it. This is so mesmerizing. Whoa. Wait, this is real? How does this even work? Okay, that is a work of art. This is how my Amazon package was stolen. All right, let's see. Thank you. Bro pulled up right away. Nah. That lady's like, what do I do? Oh, that is insane. Genius. Bro is practicing setting and spiking. That's pretty good. Pretty smart. He made his own volleyball spike trainer. Yunk. Oh my goodness. They are literally stuck and it's upside down. Bro, that's some Final Destination kind of stuff. Cockroach prank on my mom. Oh my goodness.
I'm on my way home now.
Yo. I've never seen her look at her face when she came around that corner. Doggo, Max sent the pretty lady across the bar a water bowl. Oh. But he said, I'm getting her a drink. Take a seat. Oh my goodness. This is for the whole sports team. Okay, Dad of the Year. Frisbee? What? Now that was an insane Frisbee trick shot. This inflatable park. Let me see from the top. Holy paradise. Now that genuinely looks fun. I need to try this. What the? Oh. These screens look so real. The floor and the wall is an LED display. POV, you married someone who stops at every lemonade stand he sees. Not gonna lie, you gotta support the hustle. He looks so proud of himself. POV, stop vacuuming and start at the source. That is genius. Video game upgrade. POV, you take your sim buggy to a forest 2 kilometers away. What? How are you staying connected that far away? The toy's got a major upgrade. Okay. Oh, there's some bears. These bears are enjoying the place. This cat is like, this is called teasing. All right, buddy. When she keeps eating, it's like, are you getting full, kitty cat? Are you getting full? Here we go. We're making some cakes. Okay. Is this how they do it? Precision. What if they mess up, though? How can they fix it? Here we go. Craziest trick shot. Oh my gosh. This is not easy. Please get it. Please get it. Please. Ooh. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. All right. You got it this time, bro. You got it this time. Oh my goodness. This is the final one. Come on. Yes. 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 This guy's neck is huge. Like, bro. Oh my goodness. How do you even achieve this build? When your dad breaks his neck, back and ribs, femurs, wrist, and ankle, he's stuck in that pose. The whole fam was there doing it to support him. Watching my husky roll his eyes at me. Hey, doggo. Hi. Wait for it. Hi. What the? Doggo went, oh, pathetic. Let me sleep. When you accidentally type, laughing. They did it with their dog. What the driver? This guy said, I want the ultimate flex. Here we go. Will he even hit it, though? Imagine. This is what you call a driver. Hydra. Look at their dog. Oh, my goodness. I don't know why people do this. Literally, I don't know why people dye their dog's hair color. Like, it's a dog, not a toy. My bro thinks he's messy. Yo, what? Oh, no. Bro, you are not him. You are not him. Here we go. Some oh, what? The basketballs are your wheels?
Wait, this is kind of genius.
Who needs wheels anymore when you can use basketballs? Mentos and Coke. Oh, my. That wasn't
very smart. That wasn't very smart.
Jump rope. Okay. Oh. Man's just entered the back rooms. Whoa. A little bit of comb scissor action. Okay.
Okay.
Guys got some crazy scissors. Whoa, what kind of bug is this? Is this called the machine gun bug? Whoa. I was tired of her ears getting dirty while she was eating. So you just hair tied her ears?
Sorry, doggo.
Bro, for real disconnected. Oh, controller disconnected. Plug in your batteries. Call it basketball. Bada boom! Buddy made it. What do we have here? We're opening the door. Oh, this guy's she's rollerblading. Okay. She better be a good rollerblader, because how's she gonna turn around this? Not. Oh. Why did she not turn? I've been thinking about you. Oh! She's down. There's no reward without risk. No, that's a no-go from me. That is sketch. Ultimate dad hack. When they sit in the back so I can pop them when they're acting up. Oh, wait, that's pretty cool. Well, not cool, but funny. We're slicing ourselves some oranges. That is one way to peel an orange. Personally, I've never seen that way, but hey, whatever works, works. That's sharp. That knife must be crazy sharp. Like and subscribe right now for amazing luck for the next week. What is this? Huh? None of it's real? What? He turned off gravity. Dude, some people are just too strong for us. Like, this guy is clearly just too strong for the planet Earth. The prototype versus the final product. They are vibing. Jamming so hard, he forgot he was a baby. Little bro said, what? Whoa. It slides in perfectly. I really like that. My sister is deathly afraid of needles and told the nurse not to count before injecting the shot.
1, 2, 3.
I said don't count. I got this when we were searching for crabs. What's happening?
Oh my god.
Oh, jeez, Mr. Krabs angry. POV, we're taking cute pics, but my dad is fighting for his life on the flip. Oh my gosh. That's a moment they'll never forget. I can't believe I got up to 40 miles per hour. Swinging. They see me rolling. They hate it. Yo. Tag your friends you try this with. Wait for it.
Luke Skywalker's under attack. Quick, send in the Millennium
What am I waiting for? Yo! They just said, send in the Millennium Falcon. Teaching in June be like... Absolutely nobody cares. And that's why they get summers off. Men will race anything. What is he racing? A lawnmower? Try not to laugh, chat. What was that? Cinnamon challenge. You guys remember that trend? How many rice cakes can hold me? I want to find out how many rice cakes can hold you. Oh, that didn't work. Oh, 2 doesn't work. All right, 3. Nope, we're still done for. Ooh, that doesn't work. How many? Is that 10? That was kind of close. 21. Please work. Please work, or he's not. No! He probably... Okay, that's a mess to clean up. That guy probably needs like 200 of them. Espresso lollies. This is how they knead it and weed it and make it stretchy. Oh my goodness. Do you think this job is fun or satisfying? What did they do to their cat? Why does it have a line and why does it have not one wrinkle on its entire body? That is pretty neat. Oh my goodness. Santorini, Greece is definitely one of many words. Catfish racing. Wait, literally. Oh! Number one. My money's on number... Finish. What are you doing? Go. Yes! Yes, number one is now rich. Go, number 4. Boom! Look at this monkey. He's just munching on his food, dipping his breakfast into his coffee, and then having a good time. This guy lives better than I do. What kind of magical ink is this? Oh my gosh. That ain't ever going away. These kids are in trouble. Had to watch this a few times. Wait, what? Wait, what? This dude's pulling a glitch in the Matrix. It's called the tennis glitch shot. There ain't no way.
Hey, my name is Cesar Bryan. I'm going to Louisiana State University.
Go Tigers!
What? Go Tigers! Not the Polaroid. Oh my, he actually just caught man's... He was like, Japanese hoverboard. Whoa. Okay, we're going to take a ride on this thing and see how it works. He just created a hovercraft. Bro was eating mayo in front of me. Did man just bring a big old jar of mayonnaise? Dude, ain't nobody like mayonnaise that much. Dude's tire started glitching. Why? Whoa. Whoa, man's tire stopped spinning, but he forgot to do the updates. She thought the soap was... No, those aren't food. That is it. That is so... Oh, look at his face. He's like, no, you didn't. That is honestly jokes. No.
I don't want to see it.
Look how happy the dog is. The dog said, yes, I did that.
Show me
I did that. I did that. Bro, you're in trouble. Lego suitcase at Lego store in Japan? Hey, dude, not mind if I do. POV, you see this guy when you're parked. Bro is just embracing the water. What the Lego F1 car? Oh my, this is one of the most unique Lego stores I've ever seen. Dude. Why is Legos actually pretty cool? I've never been a big fan of Lego, but wow, there is full potential of opportunity. Throw it back to when I decided to fix the sink at work. Yeah, you did not fix that. You need to turn the water off before you do that. Oh no. My brother.
She was a fairy.
How is bro actually floating though? What is bro hiding? Oh my. How does he even remember this? Hey, he's making sure nobody can get in his phone. Okay, right. Oh. What happened? You good, bro? What the electricity? Who knew a dandelion could create some crazy electricity like this?
That is insane.
Roll it. Roll that. And again. Yes. Oh my. Wait, whose shoe was that? What is going down these stairs? All right, we're getting on the boat. Oh wait, are they about to feed something? What? Oh my god. Was that a sturgeon or what kind of thing was that? Full send, my dudes. 3, 2, 1. Let it rip. Boom. That kid is a savage. Area, no hunting or trapping. Oh, wait. She's gonna make a joke and start doing a dance or something. What? Oh, wait. I thought she said no trapping. She's like, yeah. Oh, literally, that sign is growing into the tree. Dude flies. Whoa. This man might as well have some wings or something because he is flying. Who else has drumstick that looks like this? Okay. I personally don't because I don't play the drums, but I bet a lot of drummers got a drumstick that's about to snap because they be banging them drums way too hard. Would you play? I mean, why not? If it's free, I would do anything. Oh my goodness. How many can she get? Is she good at the game? Let's find out. Keep them legs tight. Keep them knees to your chest. Oh, she got a good grab. Find an imposter. Are you able to spot the real cat? If so, down below right now, comment down below cat. That way you can actually find it. I saw the cat. Did you? Let me know by commenting down below cat. We up in a dang spaceship, cuz. What in the world? That is probably one of the craziest redneck cool cars I've ever seen. The definition of teamwork. They are not letting that thing fall. When you haven't planned ahead, you have to be resourceful. What is that, though? I literally don't know. Doggo. Imagine you come down out of the bathroom or something, your dog's on the counter, and all your pizza you just ordered is gone. They said special pizza delivery for the dog. What has she done? Put the baby powder down. What did she just take? Oh, you're good. Oh, good. What was it, though? Lego wall. Whoa, wait. What is in there? What? It's a disco party. Wait, what about this room? Another AC/DC. This man rolling around with the most expensive wheels in town. But he's got a Rolls Royce Colt and he's whipping that thing. What is... R.I.P. to the shoes? What? Why'd you do that to the new kicks? When you're about to shower, but... What was that? How did he fall? Who fell? What the? I have lost all my brain cells. Welcome to the Ice Age. What? Where is this? And I need to be here. This was tough. Hit this during PE. What do you mean? What'd you hit? Oh, he's a skater. Boing. Oh. Yo, that was filthy. On my walk home and I see this. What do you see though? Oh, give him a treat. How?
Uh-oh. Alert. What's it for?
Tire?
Tire.
Low.
Low tire?
Tire low. I'm waiting. It says wait
Let's
for it.
see.
I'm waiting.
Oh.
You ain't got no tire. Probably the best claw machine ever. Dude, this kid is a genius. Oh my goodness. He said all of these are absolutely mine. Free chips for everyone. The cat falls into the bath. We all know cats absolutely hate... Oh no, the cat's like... Would you eat this chocolate bar? Let me see. Dude, that thing looks... Whoa, why is it blue? Nah, if I saw I had some blue stuff on there, I'm not eating that. But why is it different colors? I don't get it. The teal stuff. I don't know, man. I don't think I would eat it. Pranking my dad.
Mike Wazowski?
Mike Wazowski.
He sounds familiar.
Is he from Staten Island? He was probably in my homeroom.
Probably my home.
Mike Wazowski. He can tell the future.
Notification. Home run.
How? Imagine he did this every single pitch. That would be genius. Meat, not a dog. Y'all, our friend's coworker makes a day every day.
Comes up here.
They brought themselves a goat. Bro, what? That is pretty cute, but that is crazy. How did bro get the ball? What? Wait, Blue has it? How? The other guy clearly caught it. Nikolai Vadala is a real-life Iron Man. Imagine it just started flying. I would be scared. Level 10 guard dog. Oh, that's a scary dog. You tell him. Bro is clocked in. First B-Day. Happy birthday to you.
Why are you looking at me, fam?
Blow out
This
your
is
candle.
exciting. What the? Bro just put it out with his finger. Who is this guy? When your daughter absolutely kills it with their entrance to your wedding. Skirt. Here comes the goddaughter. Here comes the goddaughter. That is awesome. I love how she even knew where to drive to. Holy sunset. That man with this camera is sprinting. I want to see this sunset. Holy cow. When your little sister has you at the wit's end. Yup. You already know. What's your superhero name if you would take one? Comment down below what your superhero name would be. Let me know in the comment section below. This guy said, I am Superman. Well, there you have it, you guys. You enjoyed today's video, drop a like, subscribe, and press on more videos you see on the screen right now to watch more videos just like this one. And I'll see you over in those videos.